From space, Antarctica looks like a vast, frozen world of nothing but ice. Cold, remote, and almost completely empty. Its ice stretches for thousands of kilometers, covering an entire continent. But beneath that frozen surface, something very different has been waiting. Because what we see is only the surface. Hidden below is a landscape that has remained invisible for millions of years. In some places, nearly 5 kilometers of ice separate the surface from the ground below. Mountains, valleys, and ancient rock are buried beneath it. Scientists have spent decades trying to map this hidden terrain using aircraft, ground surveys, and measurements collected across the ice. But the data were never evenly distributed. Some regions were measured in detail, while enormous areas remained difficult to resolve. Then scientists tried a different approach. Instead of looking through the ice, they began looking at what the ice itself was revealing. Satellites can observe tiny patterns across Antarctica's surface, and those patterns are not random. Ice flowing over a hidden hill or valley can change its movement and shape above it. The surface becomes a subtle map of what lies underneath. Scientists learn to read those changes. By studying how the ice flows, they could infer the shape of the buried landscape below. Their method, called Ice-Flow Perturbation Analysis, turns these tiny changes in ice movement into information about the bed beneath the ice. Satellite observations were combined with existing measurements, and millions of pieces of information began fitting together. A new picture of Antarctica started to emerge, and then came the reveal. Beneath the white surface was not a smooth floor, but an enormous, complex landscape. Mountains rise from the darkness. Deep valleys cut across the bedrock. Vast plains and canyons stretch beneath kilometers of frozen ice. For the first time, scientists could map this hidden world across the entire continent in unprecedented detail. The new map identified 71,997 subglacial hills, revealing a landscape far more detailed than earlier maps had shown. And this is more than a map. The shape of the bedrock can influence how ice moves toward the ocean, helping scientists understand how Antarctica may change in the future. We thought we knew Antarctica, but for centuries, we had only been looking at its surface. Beneath the ice, another world was waiting.